Alright, so I lost the first part of the video, but it's pretty simple. So you got two screws for the cover here. I am going to be changing out the PCV because I got a little bit of leakage going on right here. It doesn't seem like it's a lot, but it's definitely worth changing. Now that you're here, you're going to have more space for the PCV right there. But right now we're going to be doing the starter. So you can go under, but honestly, without a lift, it's just crammed space. So if you don't have a lift, like I don't, you're going to have to take off the intake manifold. So that consists of all these connectors, all these hoses, the intake little thing. Be careful with this, it rips really easily. And just pulling this guy out. So this guy has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 at the bottom are screws, 2 at the top are nuts. And you're just going to have to undo everything you see, which is this connector, that connector. There's another connector down there that you're not going to be able to see. I disconnected the battery. Make sure you disconnect the battery when you do starter work or alternator work. It's just something a lot of people miss in tutorials. So yeah. So now that you got those all snugged out, it should be loose, but it is not. So that means there's something else holding this guy down, which is probably this guy right here. This is a little bracket. So I'm assuming this little bracket here has another 2 12s, 1, 2. Take those guys out, and I think this guy should be free, but we have to take off part of the intake to be able to snug it out. Either here, I believe here would be the easiest, just to pull this way and out. That way you don't have to undo any of that. But you could undo all that if it makes it easier, because once you're in there, it's literally, I think, 2 or 3 bolts that hold the starter in, and it's right there, so you'll have plenty of room. So there was one more bolt down here, still another 12, and then in the bracket, it's 2, and then the one in the bottom there, it's the only one that's a different size, so don't lose that guy. And then once you remove it, you don't have to remove these hoses over here. These can stay on. You just put it to the side. You undo this wiring harness, undo this wiring harness to just get a little more space. Undo this guy, which I'll need both hands for, never mind. Got it out, and then you got to undo this guy up here. And the starter should come out with this probably being a 14, this probably being a 17. You can see that guy down there. And this probably being another 17 or 19. So that longer bolt right there is a 14, and that's shorter bolt is the 17. 17 down here, 14 up there, 12 up here. And then unfortunately this is very, very universal. It looks exactly the same, but we're going to have to change out this bracket because that's not the same. So out with the old and in with the new. Like I said, I had to adjust this bracket a little bit to get this guy to fit, because I tried the other bracket that it came with, and it was just too wide, so it wouldn't clip in. But that was an easy fix, because this one is basically universal, so it fits Element all the way to older gen TSX, Pilots, things like that. It's weird how universal this one starter is from 02 to like 2014. So yeah, let me just put all this stuff back. Like I said, the hardest part was getting the screws out and this bracket down below out. So that bracket will be the last thing that we put on, and just reverse everything that we did. This guy didn't have to come off, that guy didn't have to come off. The less you have to take off, the better. This harness had to come off. These hoses had to come off. Those hoses had to come off, and that was the only thing holding it in, basically. All that other stuff could have stayed, and it did. So the PCB is actually down here. You take off this little hose, and that's a 17. Loosen that up, and then you should be able to get the other one in there pretty easily. Yeah, if your PCB looks like that, it's definitely worth changing. You hear that little rattling? That's from this one. As for this one, you can't hear it. That's a free flowing. This is completely clogged. Alright, moment of truth. No more rattle. No more rattle. Cool. It used to rattle when you turned it on a lot. So let's see. I think we're good.